Hey guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Keela's Marketing, where I show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing in multiple other ways, okay? So if you're interested in learning how to use the internet to make money online, make sure you stay to the end of the video, in which I will be giving you 3 different websites in which you can use, implement the skills that I'm telling you in the video, and start making money online. When it comes down to these websites, some of these websites is minimal skills or no skills at all. And I have a website down below only for paid subscribers. This is a one-time payment only for paid subscribers that is teach you how to make $1 per minute. Literally $60 an hour, but this is only for paid members, a one-time payment. And on top of that, I will be giving away over $25,000 in free bonuses, okay? So if you're interested in learning how to make money online with little to no work, make sure you take out that link down below, Testorama, okay? Testorama is that secret website only for paid members only. But if you are interested in putting in the work and learning how to implement these skills to making money online, make sure you stay into the end of the video so you will not miss out on all 3 websites, okay? So let's get right into this video. The first website I will be presenting to you is Clickbank. If you don't know what Clickbank is like a big marketplace for all vendors that's literally selling something. And with these vendors, they have partnerships, which is affiliate partner programs, in which you can partner with these programs and these offers and these businesses to make a commission, okay? So when it comes down to Clickbank, for this example, I am using weight loss. So I already picked my niche. I picked what I want to be promoting. So we over here and we have multiple products over here to promote, okay? All of these products we are here to promote. And for each product, they are already telling you how much you will be getting per product. This one is $29. This one is $100. This one is $133, so forth and so on. When it comes down to picking up these products, you go to Gravity Score. Gravity Score should be over 25. These gravities are remarkable, and they should be giving you affiliate tools. You shouldn't be having the flow of upsells and mobile friendly, okay? These are the 3 main things you should be focusing on when it comes down to promoting these Clickbank products. And for more information on these Clickbank products, I have a video in which I will be going through everything that you need to know when it comes down to you promoting Clickbank products. All right, now let's head over to the second websites, okay? The second website is Fiverr. For this example, I just looked up blog posts because, hey, why not? Blog posts, people who create blogs for other people to post are making money starting from $15 to $100, okay? The proof is in the pudding. When it comes down to you making an offer on Fiverr, whatever it is, it doesn't matter what niche you are in, it's the same thing. You go on these platforms, look for people who has tremendous success and model them, okay? Model them. I have a full training tutorial showing you how to make money on Fiverr as well. If you're interested in checking out this website, in which it will be showing you how to make money at least $60 per hour, literally doing minimum to no work, check out Testorama in my link down below, okay? The last website in which I'll be showing you in which you can make money online is Munchie, okay? Munchie is a freaking, I don't even know what it is. Like, it's freaking amazing, okay? Munchie literally has a listing of every digital product on Warrior Plus and 𝐳𝑉𝐸. They have the big launches. They have all the up and coming launches over here. And then they have the ones that just previously launched, guys. There's multiple chances in which you can make money online. It's a new launch every day in which you can promote these products. You can promote these products and start making money online. All right, now, if you're not promoting any of these products, you are missing out on money. You're missing out on money because all these products, like you can see a commission of $100, $50, well, 50% commission, 100% commission, 50% commission. These are commissions, and the dollars is 17, 17, a lot of sevens, 8, 37, 13, all right, 27, 47, all right. Look at this. And then if you want to skyrocket your making money online success, make sure you check out my description below to pick up your free affiliate marketing guide to show you how to properly promote these Munchie products and Clickbank products. And for high ticket products, come over here to Evergreen on Munchie. Just double click on that and wait for the page to load, and it will show you the premium evergreen products and all of the evergreen products in which you will have a bigger commission with majority of these products. Okay, these products are going for almost $1,000 lower, and the lowest is $20, guys. Okay, making money online is easy if you are willing to implement and learn. So like I said, if you want to learn how to promote these products, go through my description down below, in which I will be giving away a free affiliate marketing guide, giving you the ins and outs exactly what affiliate marketing is about and how you can start affiliate marketing today with minimal to any work. You just have to learn a few tactics and then put in maybe like 2 hours a day, okay, to replace your 9-to-5 job. If you're interested in learning how to make money as soon as possible with little to no skills, literally no skills at all, this is super easy money, make sure you check out my description down below, which will send you to this page. Click that link that says Testorama. That link, you enter your information and it will send you to this page right here. This page is going to explain to you exactly what Testorama is all about, what the hype is all about, and why I have collaborated with this product, this website, showing you how you can make money online. And I'm giving you tremendous amount of value. Look at my bonuses. All about how to make money online. All about how to make money online. I'm not playing with you. And then on top of that, I'm giving away a free strategy call with me, showing you and telling you how you can structure your social media to seem as an authority, how you can start putting things in the right place to help you make money online. Okay, this is only for paid people, VIP people, very important people who is looking to take action on their life. And then plus you will be getting all of the vendor bonuses as well as Testorama. If you want to learn more about Testorama, make sure you click the link in my description and watch this video and go through this description showing you what you will be getting yourself into. Okay, I am done. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Make sure you check out this website right here showing you what Testorama is all about and how you can really leverage these websites to start making money online as soon as possible with little to no work. If you want to make money with Clickbank, Munchie, Fiverr, mainly affiliate marketing for me, I have a free training book, training guide for you, so pick that up as well. It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me, and I'll see you in my next video.